Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a little craft haul of some things that I got. I'm still waiting for my glitters to come in, so I think I'm just going to add that clip on to the end, but I just wanted to show you what I have so far. So the first thing I ordered is I got some Bright Tone from Crystal Lac, and then I got the bottles that they sell. I'm going to try this out and try to make a tumbler with it to see if I like these better than using epoxy, just because I have my office and I do my epoxy in the same room, and it would just be better for me to switch to the Crystal Lac. And then I also ordered some of these vinyls from Auntie Tay and the Flynn Sisters Boutique collab. So I got Flynn Sisters Garden. This floral print is so pretty. And then I got Enough Chit Chat, and it has like some gold details in it. It's super cute. And then I got But Whatever, and it's another really pretty floral purple background or vinyl. And then I also got Head in the Clouds. This one is my favorite one. It's so pretty, and then it has really nice pastel colors and gold details. They're super cute, and I can't wait to play with them and do like a vinyl tumbler. So I got some of these. And then I was at Costco yesterday and I found these color changing reusable tumblers. They look like they're the same material as the Starbucks tumblers. So I'm going to try these out and see what I can create with them. From what I'm seeing, there's some green, some red, some blue, and purple. And then they have like confetti. So I'm going to play with these soon. This is the colors that they changed to. And then I think this pack of 12 was like 15 bucks. And they had a whole bunch of them. So I'm excited to play with those. And then I also purchased 4 of these. I got 2 of the 20 ounce and 2 of the 30 ounce for the skinny tumblers. These are the cup chucks from the Bowen LLC. They're on Etsy. And these are just the skinny cup chucks for 20s and 30s. Some of them kind of got thick like that, and I can't fit it to my 20 ounces. So I have to play with them and try to, I guess, put the rubber back in. But when I was able to fit it in the 20 ounce, I really liked it because it kept my cup level and my tops and bottoms were not getting thick. So these really do work. I just need to play with it and fix it. And then one of the big things that I purchased is a printer. Let me just get it. I ordered this. If you guys got it. Oops. So you can't really see it that well, but it's the Canon Pixma TS9521C, and this is supposed to be like a crafting printer. It's supposed to be, you should be able to print out like full sheets, borderless, of scrapbook paper, and you're supposed to be able to print out like high quality photo prints. So they also included these photo papers. So I'm assuming it would be good for stickers and for my water slides, because my printer, I had the WF7720, and when I was printing out on my water slides, it was doing banding, and I didn't like how it looked. So I'm going to try that out for my water slides. And then along with that, I also purchased this ink that Amazon suggested to go with the printer, and it was like 20 bucks. So I guess I'll try these out once the ones that came with it run out. So it's a multicolor printer, so you use different cartridges, And I like using different cartridges because then you have more color options, bigger color range, because you're using cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. So I will try these inks out and see if they will work good. These are the inks that the printer comes with in here, and then this is the charger. So you see here there's black, yellow, cyan, magenta. Sorry, there's a cat in my background. So there's black, yellow, cyan, magenta, and then PG black. I don't know what that means, but I guess we'll see. It's a different size from the other one, so I don't know why, but yeah. I also purchased this little drill. It's supposed to be for keychains because when I drill, I use, I don't know where it went, but I have like a little hand drill for my keychains. Here it is. I use this one, and you gotta like twist it with your hand like that, and once the keychains set over 24 hours, it's harder for me to drill it by hand. So I purchased this automatic hand drill. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I purchased this hand drill. I guess these are the batteries for it. And then the battery charger. So you take the batteries out and charge them. And then these are the little bits that it comes with. So they're super tiny. Looks like it'll be perfect for my keychains. So I'm excited to use that as well. And then I also purchased these fall cookie cutters. I use these for freshies. It's for car freshies, I guess that's what they're called. I have some fall scents, and by the time I got them last year, it was like too late for fall. But I want to get early on fall for these. I'm already starting to think of some fall designs to come out with, just because it's about that time. Fall is around the corner, so I want to get ahead of the game. So it came with all these pieces. It has a little pumpkin. It has a little pumpkin. I don't know what this is. Maybe like a turkey. Oh yeah, it's a turkey. And then a leaf. And then it has this leaf. Some of them are kind of small, but that's okay. This one is a football because football season is in fall. This is a candy corn. This one is a squirrel. And then this one is an acorn. And then I also saw some really cute Halloween ones on Stay Fresh with Peanut that I want to order. It was like a bat and a witch. So I think I'm gonna order those, and then I'll show you guys once I get them in. But I'm gonna be doing a fall freshie tutorial coming up soon, so I really wanted to get these in so I could show you guys how I make my freshies. And then that's all I have to show you for now, and I'll just add a clip when my glitters arrive. I think they're gonna arrive in like 2 more days. Today's Sunday, so they're supposed to get here Tuesday. So I'll be back and show you guys once I get those. Okay, so I finally got my glitters in the mail, and I purchased all of these from PG Olive Glitters. So I've got the July, I believe it's the July Peachy palette, and then I ordered some new glitters that I wanted to try. So this is the PG palette box. So I got the PG palette. I got some more Bright, which is the really fine white opal glitter. I got some more of that, and then I got rose gold opal and skinny rose opal. These are so pretty. These will be new to my collection, and I'm excited to try these out. They're so pretty. It has like pinks and golds in it. This is their cute little card, and then they gave me a sticker, and then this part is the Peachy palette. So there's Metalhead. It's like a gray purple. It's really pretty. Lizard, a really pretty green. There's this color Pearl, really pretty pink. I don't know how to say that word, but it's a really pretty yellow. Love this color. This would be really nice for like a lemon ice lid tumbler. Sorry, I have paint on my hands if you see it. And then there's this one, Expo. Ooh, this one's really cool. You see that little color shift? This one's really pretty. It's very different. Look at that. And then since these are bagged, I have, let me see if I can find them. I put them into these little glitter shakers that I order off of Amazon. I think it comes like in a pack of 16. And then let me do this one. So what I usually do is I take off the sticker so I know which brand it is for when I go to reorder, because I use these glitters mostly, but I do have some from like a Glitter Chimp or Sandy's Organized Chaos. I think that's what her glitter, well, that's what her YouTube channel is called. I don't know what her glitter is called. Usually this comes off easier, but whatever. So I put the name on so I know what color it is, and then I open the baggie. I try to tap as much glitter down as I can, and then I just pour it in my little bottle. So these ones are my favorite bottles for the glitter. I've tried different ones, like I have some of these bottles. These were good for like smaller cut glitters, but you see the lids are like flimsy. I have some of these that I purchased from Amazon, but let me show you. The holes are too big. So this one works really good for like super chunky glitters like this one, but this one is pretty fine, so I don't really like these for that. But I think this one's perfect for whatever glitters. This glitter is so pretty. I'm so excited to play with it and see what I come up with. And then I'm also starting to work on some fall and Halloween videos to come out with. One of the things I'm going to try to do is try to post more consistently. So I'm trying to come out with some videos so I can post at least once a week until I can get a hang of posting more. So these are all my new glitters. They're so pretty. My favorite ones are the rose opals. They're so pretty. Alright, so that's all I got from my haul. I think I got all of these things in like the span of a week, maybe. But that's all I have for this time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.